CS-SM-220 Vacuum Automatic Coolant Separator. Portable and compact size. No setup buttons. No need to do any setup. Connect the vacuum pump and vacuum fixture separately. Plug in 220 volts power first. The upper interface is connected with vacuum pump. The filter cup is connected with the vacuum clamp. All the lines are connected. Turn the vacuum check switch on to the self-cleaning position. Simulated cutting fluid is sucked into a vacuum check. The cutting fluid was simulated with clean water. Clean water is pumped into the automatic coolant separator. Store and perform gas liquid separation. There is no liquid in the gas pipe connected to the vacuum pump. As the fluid accumulation reaches a certain level, it starts to drain automatically. Then the next cycle of fluid accumulation. The discharge cycle is automatically adjusted according to the rate of accumulation. Drain once after 5 to 15 minutes of normal use. There is no pressure drop during drainage. Ensure that the suction of the vacuum fixture is not weakened. Check again the pipe connecting the vacuum pump. The gas liquid separation is very good. After a period of use, the filter cup needs to be unscrewed to remove the tiny debris that has accumulated. Does the vacuum clamp you are using have drain problems? Come and try this amazing device.